Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And of course from Aliexpress I order new module. And what is it? It's a MAX7219 dot matrix module for microcontroller 4-in-1 display with 5 points line. You can choose green one, you can choose blue or red. Also you can buy a separate just this module with 8x8 pixels, LED pixels, but I need this one 4-in-1 module. It's around $2.4 and waited couple of weeks and I got it. Finally, bubbles. Oh. Beside the matrix module you will get cable pins. Okay. It's 4 modules in one PCB board, and I figure out in my early projects that you can cut one module and use it like this one to be separate, but for my future project I need this to have 4 modules, 8x8 pixels is each one. All of them together will be 32 pixels by 8 pixels, and on this end we will plug in the cable pins and connect with the Arduino microcontroller, and you can do whatever you want. You can make a clock, animations, a game, whatever you want. What it says in description: a single module can drive 8x8 LEDs. It's a common negative dot matrix. Module working voltage is 5 volts. Module size is 13 centimeters by 3.2 centimeters by height 1.3 centimeters. Okay, module with input and output interface. Yes, this one is input, but here you can solder another pins for output and connect more modules if you want it. Okay, here it is, one of my older videos where I make a clock, digital clock with a thermometer, and also I'm using the real-time clock module for remembering the time, and also in that module it have a temperature sensor for measuring the temperature. You can see that this video is made in 2020. Oh, I will put a link in the description below so you can check it if you want to make this scrolling clock with thermometer. What is that? Beep, beep, beep. Next thing that I want to show you using this LED dot matrix is this gadget that I made couple of years ago, and it's a game console using 2 LED dot matrix 8x8. In this case this is 16 by 8 pixels. And do you know what game it is? It doesn't have a battery, built-in battery. I need to plug in this micro USB cable. And look, a Tetris, just to kill the lights so you can see better. Beautiful. Let's play. On which button I need to press it? Oh, this one. With this I can rotate. Yep. This will go here. Points, and you get the point. Using a LED dot matrix you can make a Tetris game using the display, and also you will need Arduino board that need to be programmed. Also for this project I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. Let's finish the game now. End game. Ooh, nice effect. And the music, it's great. Okay, that was all for today's video, which was this beautiful LED dot matrix from Aliexpress. The link will be in the description below so you can check it, maybe order it and make your own project. See ya!